In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred templates in Canva. Whether you're a designer, a small business owner, or just someone who loves crafting beautiful visuals, learning to locate your favorite templates efficiently can save you a ton of time and make your design process smoother. Let's begin the journey by heading over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your credentials. Simply click on the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the website. At this point, you have a few options. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or of course with your email. Choose the option that works best for you, and once you're signed in, you're ready to move on. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the templates section. This can be found either through the main navigation bar at the top of the page or directly on the home page if you're fortunate to spot it there. This section is an incredible resource where Canva houses a multitude of templates spanning all sorts of categories and use cases. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or flyers, the templates section is your creative playground. Once you're in the templates section, you'll want to look for the projects area. This is where Canva organizes the files and designs you've worked on or saved for easy access later. As you scroll down within this section, keep an eye out for the starred folder. This is a nifty spot that Canva provides, helping you keep track of all the templates and designs that you've marked as favorites. And here's the key part. Within this starred folder is where you'll find all the templates, photos, and elements you've saved. By simply scrolling down, the starred content area appears, a little treasure trove of all your preferred templates. It's like your personal gallery curated with all the items you've deemed worthy of a star, allowing you rapid access for reuse or inspiration at any given time. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, navigating to find your starred templates becomes an easy, manageable task. Remember, the essence of using Canva effectively lies in knowing where everything is just when you need it. This process of starring and quickly accessing favorite templates can significantly enhance your productivity and keep your design workflow smooth and enjoyable. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you now feel more confident about finding and using your starred templates in Canva. Thank you for watching and happy designing.